There is no such thing as an ugly man, they just don't exist. All you have to do is understand what draws women to you. Studies from the Department of Psychology at Harvard University support the perception that women value single males. Why not concentrate on becoming in shape, developing a great appearance, projecting confidence, and dating someone if you truly want to capture her? Although such strategy might be effective, is it the only one? Thankfully, there is a simpler and better solution. Stay tuned to the very end when I'll unveil the 10 attributes that make a man utterly captivating to women. Episode 1: Intelligence. Some women can converse to intelligent men for hours, blushing in a cafe. This scenario signals that she's engaged with a smart man who knows how to stimulate her thoughts. Women are drawn to guys who can make them think and ponder intellectually. Staying intrigued, curious and engaged, reading extensively, and learning new things enhances one's attractiveness in the game of attraction. Episode 2: Independence. Independence drives women wild, showcasing a man's problem-solving capacity and emotional stability. A crybaby attitude is a major turn-off, while independence becomes a significant turn-on in a world encouraging vulnerability. Episode 3: Generosity. Generosity demonstrates that a man cares about others as well as himself. While being generous can be attractive, it's crucial to strike a balance to avoid coming off as either stingy or a fool. Studies from the National University of Santa Fe emphasize the power of generosity, making men more attractive to women regardless of physical appearance. Episode 4: Manners. Remaining romantically young at heart is essential. Thoughtful gestures, surprise dates, flowers, and expressing gratitude regularly contribute to keeping the flames of romance alive. Wooing a woman requires more than initial effort. Continuous gestures are key to establishing a lasting connection. Episode 5: Lacking social awareness. Having social awareness is crucial, as the world doesn't revolve around an individual. Ignoring social cues, dominating conversations, or being self-absorbed are signs of social stupidity. Women are attracted to men who can navigate social situations by listening more, picking up nonverbal cues, and knowing when to step back. Episode 6: Lack of ambition. Having clear ambitions and goals is attractive to women. A man without a sense of purpose is perceived as directionless and unappealing. Pursuing a career, hobby, or passion project adds excitement and magnetism to a man's personality. Episode 7: Uninspiring conversations. Meaningful conversations are a breath of fresh air in a world filled with small talk. Engaging in deep, intriguing discussions stimulates the mind, challenging perspectives and sparking curiosity. Women are drawn to men who can stimulate their minds, making conventional conversation or lines less effective. Episode 8: Don't ignore her boundaries. Respecting a woman's boundaries is crucial. Ignoring them reflects insecurity and desperation, not strength or dominance. A real man knows when to take charge and when to step back. Ignoring boundaries is a clear sign of disrespect. Episode 9: Do show genuine interest in her. Genuine interest in a woman beyond mere interest is a real turn-on. Engaging in deep conversations about her passions, dreams, and thoughts fosters a meaningful connection. Making her feel seen, heard, and valued is key to establishing a strong bond. Episode 10: You're a patient listener. Being a patient listener is a crucial trait that women find irresistible. Women, being emotional creatures, often need someone to share their worries and concerns. Responding with genuine care and thoughtfulness without immediately offering solutions builds trust and intimacy. This trait shines from the start, making a man attractive whether in a casual fling or the beginnings of a deep connection. If a man possesses the trait of patient listening, he becomes a reliable source of support, drawing women to him like a magnet. In conclusion, embodying these 10 traits can make a man truly irresistible to women. These qualities go beyond superficial approaches and focus on building genuine connections and understanding. The key is not just to play the game, but to be a man who naturally attracts and respects women. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.